he's the type of player, no, na yes, he can be a go-to guy, which he's shown, especially in the last 2 seasons. As you see, that high-low play in superlatives. No, terrific lang ang naiisip ko. Na dahil halos lahat no two-way player siya, opensa, depensa, sanay mag-start ng ball game, was pretty much a main starter. We have to look at is score 30 points because not much scorers, no, sa koponan nitong Imos as Figueroa. And it really is a stat sheet stuffer. Can also guard the best player on the opposing team if need be.
Now Cassius on the other end. He is aggressive early on. An 8-0 start.
I believe is serving or nursing an injury. Kaya wala rin siya sa larong ito. As you see, another jumper in the middle. The transition by Jake Figueroa and Abra.
An excuse, it's simply next man up. Back to you guys.
Thank you for that. Naira, Coach, ang daming pangalan na wala dito on the side of Abra. But do you really feel it that they're not here?
No, but kailangan i-report ni Lyra, obviously. And as always, yung mga injury updates. Pero hindi na si strain ang opensa.
The game is brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
This was the steal and go by Jake Figueroa. Si Taon Lava.
I do remember before.
Basketball legend.
I do remember before, Coach, parang lahat kine-question nila. Bakit 88 si Asi? After him, everybody just follows.
Right.
Na lahat naka-88 na rin. Medyo slow pa ako, Coach.
Okay.
Medyo slow pa ako. Mamaya intindihan.
Halatang malayo yung edad natin. Yung sikat na kanta. Sorry tambakan na to eh. 19-2, paparinig ko sa iyo mamaya. I Wanna Know by Joe. Okay.
Okay, I think I have to know that song as we see that fader coming from Jan Salazar. Na-curious tuloy ako, anong kanta ito?
Sigurado ako pag narinig mo yun. Alam mo
Babalik.
yan. Yeah.
ManiPay, the digital wallet built for the community. Another 3. Those continue. LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. They go low post. Rex has 2 fouls early on. Ralph Robin. Robin hesitates, drives,
Nice
corner
pass.
to the shooter. Marquez gets the 3.
He's one guy that we previewed in the last game. Marquez scored 15 all in the first half against Cebu.
Uduba staying in front.
Talpan.
Too long. Uduba with the block. Atakbo, Mike Ayon gets the foul. There's only going to be foul number 2. Cassius rebounded by Errol. Puts the ball on the floor, blocked. Bola nasa kanila pa rin. Marquez goes corner. Belencion likes that shot.
Yeah, Uduba is down. He's holding his knee, I believe.
But really sacrificed a lot. Not the biggest name on the side of the Weavers, but we just see he just got hurt. Coach, he got the offensive rebound on the other end.
Tukod, no? And then the stick back. Palpal ulit.
2 blocks already for Drex de los Reyes. Abra looking to run. Cassius jumps left hand and good. Cassius, he's at 8 points. They go down low. Up top, too long, too strong. Drex gets the layup.
Talagang pinatunayan niya, Juanito. But height is might. Grabe ka naman. Baka isipin mo, sinabi ko yun para sabihin mo yan.
Naipit.
Ayun, palpal na naman ni Drex. Pero turnover. That is block number 3 though.
Too long. 5 seconds on the game clock. Belencion looks at the clock.
Buzzer beater ba?
Belencion!
200,000!